First thing to do when replacing an EZ-Boot cable is to remove the old frayed or broken cable. Remove it from both sides of the boot. And then remove the buckle with the buckle screws. Try to keep your screws and buckle together so you don't lose them. Next, take the new cable and cable clamp out of the bag. String the cable through the buckle from the front side. Slide the cable clamp over the cable. Try to line up your cables right at the edge of the cable clamp and then secure the cable clamp. You can do that two ways. Start it with a pair of pliers. That secures it. And then if you have a hard surface, an anvil, or concrete, you can use a hammer to smash the end. Once that's complete, you can start the cable back, the buckle back on. Don't tighten it all the way. Get your cable clamp centered before you start the bottom screw. Once both are started, snug both screws down tightly. Next thing is to insert the cable on both sides. Before you insert the cable, you need to remove the side screws and the rollers. Remove the second side. Keep your screws and washers together. Remove the roller. Now you're ready to string the cable. First side, replace the washer. Place the screw. First side's complete. Start your second side. Did it the wrong way there. Make sure they're flipped the correct way. Insert your second roller. T-nuts together. Make sure your rollers line up. My roller's currently not lining up, so I need to push it up a little bit. Still not lining up. Sometimes a smaller screwdriver is helpful to get your rollers to line up. There we go. Second screw in. Snug both screws. Make sure your screws are tightened all the way around. And you're done.